Very pleased to have you all here because what we've learned over time is the best way to engage in transformation is to have the folks on the ground who actually do it, talking to each other and learning from each other.
Cope Health Solutions does a great job. This conference on population health management is extremely good. We've seen not only practical experiences, but we've also seen some conceptual issues thrown out for discussion and future investigation.
We're going to talk about the working definition of population health. We're going to talk about the successes that this leadership panel has had and some of the barriers.
It really brought some of the people who are in the front line, people who are seeing the good and the bad, what works, what does not work.
Lots of folks who are in the process of managing change are all talking about the same concerns and issues, all of them looking for answers to questions that have confounded them.
My question to your panel, are you building revenue into these models?
As this rolls forward, we will be going into full risk arrangements next year. We really think that's the answer, to get us to where we are receiving 85% of the premium dollar. Anything short of that, I think, keeps us with one leg on the dock and one foot in the boat.
It is a very small group of people where we are able to interact with each other much more effectively than the normal conferences.
There's actually real genuine dialogue and debate happening even between the people who might be listening to the particular panelists.
You cannot really do healthcare reform and modify the Affordable Care Act until you deal with the immigration reform.
I'm going to politely disagree entirely with that. We, as hospital systems, are dealing with a public policy shift that's not really addressing directly who bears the cost of healthcare.
Well, the great thing about this conference is an opportunity to learn. This is new space for many of us, but even more important than the learning is the opportunity to network with others who are also doing this.
Rich content, amazing people, new relationships that I'll be able to leverage as I go back to do even better things than I've been able to do today.
Each of us has something to teach each other, that there's no perfect answer and that we've got a bunch of people on this journey with us so we can figure out how to do it.
Collaboration, talking and understanding that we are all dealing with short-term change and we better be prepared for it.